Alright, so this next one, guys, we're looking at the equation of an ellipse given the co-vertices and the foci. So in this case, we do have the foci, we have the co-vertices. We do want to find that center first, which if you guys remember, we're just taking the x values of the co-vertices, in this case, dividing it by 2, and then do the same thing with the y's. And some of you guys could cite it, or you guys can see what the center is. So we got 10 over 2, and then we got negative 14 over 2. So this case, we know that C, or the center, is going to be 5, negative 7. Okay. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to find out how far away B is, in this case, because B is the distance from the co-vertices to the center. So we will do 11 minus 5, or we could have done negative 1 minus 5, and we would have still found out that B was about 6 units. Okay. And now we want to do the same thing with C. So in this case, C, we're going to do negative 7 plus square root of 13 minus negative 7. So if I do that, I think I get C to be the square root of 13. Alright, so now we want to use B and C to help find out what A is. So if you guys remember, C squared equals A squared minus B squared. So C, this is the square root of 13 squared, and A squared minus 6 squared. So we got 13 equals A squared minus 36. So we do get A squared to be 49, which means that A is 7. Okay, so we know that information. Now we just got to figure out what type of axis we have. So in this case, if I look at the co-vertices, the y values or the x values are changing. So that means that the y values are changing for the vertices, which means that we have a vertical axis in this case. So like in this case, it's going to be x minus h squared over b squared plus y minus k squared over a squared equals 1. Okay. So in this case, we do know the center is 5, negative 7. So when I plug that in, I'm going to get x minus 5 squared plus y, and we said it was negative 7. Yes. So it's going to become y plus 7 squared. And we said A was 7, so we do have 49. And we said that B was 6, which means that B squared is 36 equals 1. Okay? So just in this case, guys, similar to what we've been doing, we find the center first. We find, in this case, how far away the co-vertices are from the center. We found B to be 6. And then we find out what C is. We got C to be square root of 13. You use B and C to help find out what A is. So that's 49, or A squared equals 49, or A is 7. And then we just plug it into the correct equation. Ask you guys to look at the next two. And try that by pausing the video. And for this 8, I got x plus 3 squared over 144 plus y minus 6 squared over 49 equals 1. And then the next one, I got this to be a vertical axis as well, so I got x minus 6 squared over 121 plus y plus 5 squared over 144 equals 1. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys.